Hello everyone, let's start with topic for today's discussion. So first one is identifiers in Python, second is keywords in Python, third one is Python indentation, fourth one is Python comments. So let's start with today's first topic, which is identifiers. Now to understand identifiers, let's understand real world example. Like there are objects in your surrounding. Everything has their own name and we identify that thing or object with its particular name like mobile, car, bike, etc. These are the names given to them to identify them. Likewise, in Python also we have identifier which is used to provide name in Python to identify variables, functions, etc. If you don't know about variable function, then don't worry, I will teach you in upcoming videos. For now, just understand identifier are used to provide name. Now, next one is identifier can be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, digit or underscore. Now there are some rules for naming in Python. Let's understand. So first is you can start name with underscore or a letter. For example, Aman, underscore car, etc. Now next one is you cannot start with digits 0 to 9. Example 0 bat, 1 apple, etc. Now let's see some practicals. So here in search bar just type Python. Here you see it is written IDLE. Just click and it will be open. If you don't know how to download Python, then watch my previous video. Now this Python shell has been opened. So here just type a equals to 10 and then press enter. Then again type a and then enter. This will print a. So here you can see a is 10, which I have assigned. Now provide underscore a equals to 11 and then click OK and then print underscore a. It will print as 11. So you can see this both are working, but when we write 1a equals to 20, then here it provides syntax error. As I told you that we cannot start name with a digit. So again back to our slide. Now our next topic is keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in Python. Reserved words are already defined in Python. Now again move on to some practicals. So in search bar write Python. So here you can see ideally just open it. So here you can type help and in that you can put single quotes and then write keywords and then press enter. So you can see there are list of keywords and you can count all of them. Because the count for all the keywords changes from version to version, so just don't remember counts, just remember keywords. We will use many of keywords from this list in our upcoming videos. To get more information about any keyword, just write again help. In that put single quotes and write pass and press enter. Here you can see all the information about pass keyword. Now move on back to our slide. So our next topic is indentation in Python. Indentation refers to space that are used in the beginning of a statement. By default, Python has 4 spaces, but number of spaces can be increased or decreased by user depending on their requirement. If you don't get anything about indentation, then don't worry, we will see in upcoming videos in very detail. But for now, just understand indentation is very important in Python. This brings us to the end of the lecture. So the last topic is comments in Python. Now, first of all, why we need comments in Python? Let's suppose you write 10 to 15 lines of code and save in a file. After a week ago, you don't remember what you did it. So, to avoid this mistake, we use comments. Comments are used to describe block of code. There are two types of comments. First type of comment is single line comment. Single line comment starts with hashtag. For example, hashtag this is a comment. So we move on to our next type of comment is multi-line comment. To make multi-line comment, we use triple quotes in forward and backward. You can see in example. Here we can see that there are triple quotes at starting of the comment and at the end of the comment, and in between there are multi-line comment. And the best thing of comment is that it does not show up in output. Now move on to some practical stuff. Here again just write Python and you will see IDLE, then click it. Here IDLE Python shell will be open. In file option, go to new files. Here new file is open. Now first make single line comment by putting hashtag and then write this is a comment. Then press enter and in next line write print and in on that put double quotes and then write I am coder, and in menu bar go to run and then click on run module. So it will be asked source must be saved, OK to save. Now click on OK and then put file name. I am putting code code as a file name and then save. Now you can see we are back again in Python 3.9.0 shell and it is written I am coder. So you can see single line comment is not there in the output. Now again go back to this code.py file and put multi-line comment within a triple quote. So now write this is a comment and then in next line write this is second line and then again put triple quote. Now again go in the menu bar and in run section go to run module and then click it. It is again asking source must be saved and OK to save. So click on OK. Yes, you can see that here also comment does not appear. I hope this all excites you enough to learn Python. So from next video onwards, we will learn and practice more about Python. Thank you.